Hi guys, I'm running this punt for David. It's game number 1056, Batman 227. Pardon me if I get into any coughing fits. I've had a nasty little cough over the last week. Alright, let's get some time. That is 9:52 on Sunday the 3rd of October. It's 9:52 on Sunday the 3rd of October here in Perth, WA. Spot 67 is Dak. Up to spot number 1 is Donald. And in the list we have Donald at spot number 1. And spot number 67 we have Dak. Alright, let's roll 3 dice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's go. First one up. So 67 items in the list. We have 67, and that's the first roll. Here's the second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth. Sixth. 7. 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 left. We're on the penultimate now. And last one. Good luck everyone, and contact David when you see this spinner. Alright, so that's been done 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's see who it is. Spot number 1 is Dak, and he broke a mini curse. Congrats, mate. Spot number 18 won you that. Just double check that. 67 items, 10 randomizations, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the 3 dice roll. Get a final timestamp. 9:54, and we got 9:54 there. Alright, thanks everyone.